Dogecoin, Doge, in every practical sense, is a mineable coin that generally is as of now exchanged at $0.084143 per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,999,265,268, that for the most part makes it a mid-positioned cryptographic money, the for the most part thought. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for kind of retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for truly huge institutional financial backers who generally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a most certainly powerful in a real sense support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Thusly, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto basically is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who especially needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in a by and large significant manner fundamentally. In any case, with it really comes the need to intently for the most part follow the improvements on the expressed market to understand what is going on and by and large have some feeling representing things to come, or so they basically thought. This Dogecoin cost expectation model in every practical sense was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, all things considered, track down the in every practical sense best coins or tokens to in a real sense put resources into, and truly keep the value bend filling in a significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to fundamentally help you to remember the fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and speculation a significant way. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and especially long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our kind of restrictive crypto instability file, CVIX, which fundamentally is very huge. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin really remains at $0.084143, and this specific advanced resource certainly stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning, or so they generally thought. For prettier data, the positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its fundamentally current market capitalization and cost, and sort of is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in a genuinely significant manner. Likewise, to really get an essentially better for the most part handle of the market circumstance and grasp the kind of broad heading of the pattern, or to by and large enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise vital to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on January 10, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly remained at $0.079264 at the end of the especially day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 6.07% distinction when contrasted with the sort of current cost 7 days prior. On January 4, the Dogecoin market basically remained at $0.082064 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a huge manner. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0% corresponding to its truly present standing. A month prior, on December 11, Dogecoin was evaluated at $0.094388, which for the most part concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 10.85% cost move in an unpretentious manner. At the point when it fundamentally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves basically more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its especially by and large fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an unpretentious manner. Numerous digital money dealers view market capitalization as an especially key pointer to be considered prior to going with exchanging choices. It especially is determined by duplicating the absolute number of coins that sort of are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the by and large current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now remains at $0.084143, which is very critical. Considering that recipe, we for the most part have determined the truly current market capitalization of Dogecoin to fundamentally be at $11,999,265,268. Which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those truly present on the cryptographic money market in a truly significant manner. Yesterday, on January 10, the market capitalization of Dogecoin truly remained at $11,300,2025,154. Keep going week. On January 4, the by and large aggregate sum of commonly capital committed to Dogecoin in every practical sense was laid out at $11,694,611,389. The information from a month prior, enrolled on December 11, in every practical sense, shows that Dogecoin especially had a market capitalization of $13,420 win 466,658. Amazingly, all-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that by and large have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and for the most part are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders in every practical sense, cold wallets, exhibiting how yesterday, on January 10, the market capitalization of Dogecoin by and large remained at $11,302,025 win 154, keep going week, on January 4. The certainly aggregate sum of in every practical sense capital gave to Dogecoin all things considered was laid out at $11,694,611,389. The information from a month prior, enlisted on December 11, truly shows that Dogecoin sort of had a market capitalization of $13,420 win 466,658. Which especially is very huge. The sort of all-out supply likewise considers any coins that generally have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, really in spite of mainstream thinking. It can generally measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that really is public on the securities exchange, genuinely further appearance how computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently basically turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for most certainly enormous institutional financial backers who in a real sense see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a fundamentally compelling all things considered fence against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy, or so they basically thought. The genuinely all-out supply of Dogecoin presently generally remains at 142,606,356,384 Doge, which is genuinely huge. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock basically is the most normally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, certainly further appearance how contrasted with the truly present place of Dogecoin. It addresses a 10.85% cost move, or so they explicitly thought. It compares with the in every practical sense best guess of the sort of by and large number of coins that in every way that really matters are public on digital currency trades and especially add to their liquidity in an essentially huge manner. Their volume does exclude the coins that certainly are vested, marked in every practical sense, brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or essentially put unavailable for general use, or so they for the most part thought. The coursing supply certainly is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange, which sort of is genuinely critical. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin is assessed at 142,606,356,384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner. Over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in